All right, today I'm going to show you, this is just a really simple one. Quick do-it-yourself for the normal people out there that aren't exactly car people and just need a little bit of help trying to understand how to do certain things. So I have my 1994, no, this is 95. This is my 1995 Toyota. So I own a lot of things that are 1995. It's always 1995. This is my 1995 Toyota Celica. And for the longest time, I just kind of have a hood prop rod that's flopping around and makes noise and moves around. One, because the clip's broken, and the hole where the prop rod goes in doesn't have a clip in it. So I went ahead and I bought these clips, and it said it's for a Honda Accord, but this should work for a Toyota. So most of them are pretty similar, the same. You can use universal ones, you know, whatever holds it in there. So pretty easy installation. So you really only need two things. You need the grommet where the actual prop rod hole goes in, and then you need the clip thing that goes in there like that. All you got to do is, if yours is gone, you just go ahead and pop the new one in like that, and it goes in there easy. Now this, you might need a tool to get out, which I'm gonna go get. Now, in order to get that out, you're gonna need one of these. This is a trim remover tool. I will put links in the description so you can buy cheaper ones. This is a really expensive one. You can just buy cheap ones, or if it's loose enough, sometimes you can just break it off or break it out of there. So yeah, trim removal tool, you'll need that. I'll also leave like links for other stuff if necessary, but mostly when you're looking up where to buy this stuff for your car, typically I use Amazon for like little cheap stuff like this. Just look up based on the year, you know, make, model, whatever. And if you have the old ones but they're broken, try and match them up with the new ones in the picture. Sometimes you order like a universal kit and maybe a couple of them will work, maybe a couple won't. For someone who hasn't looked up automotive parts before, it can be like a hit or miss really on whether it works or not. But honestly, if you go on Amazon, you'll kind of get it right. Sometimes just order a universal one, because these are, you know, these clips aren't exactly always part specific or car specific. They're really just generic pieces. But if you can find one that is specifically car specific, then that's going to be your best bet. So get your trim removal tool, pop it right behind, and just put it right behind it and just pop it out. Now the plastic is probably brittle, so it's going to break like maybe half the time. See, now it's gone forever. I heard it hit the ground there. This is what mine looks like, so it's obviously broken. This is what the new one looks like. Well, since it was for a Honda, it needed a little bit of persuasion. So what I did was I just put it in there like that. Kind of just gave it a push or a tap. There you go. It's in. It is a universal fit. So, I mean, it's like not loose, but you know, that's pretty good for, I think I paid like $3 so for the whole kit. So now I have it for all my stuff, just in case stuff breaks. All right, so get all your crap out of your engine bay. Put it on the ground with leaves so you can lose it all. And then close the baggie so you don't drop anything. Take the old piece and throw it over there. And take your prop rod off. And I'm going to try and do this with one hand here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I need two hands. You need to slide the prop rod down there in the new grommet. So I need both hands. All right, and there you go. Prop rod in the grommet, clipped in. Hang on. Ready. Watch this. Not moving, so it's not flopping around anymore. Oh, that's so... I like doing little stuff because it's the little stuff that it's just like the attention to detail. You just do little things like that, and it means all the difference, you know. And the rest of this engine may could use some of that same love too, but yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna focus on just this for now, take that as a win, and shut the hood. There you go. Hope it helps.